That mysterious clanking from your HVAC system isn't just annoying, it's your equipment crying for help. Strange noises are early warning signs that can save you thousands in repairs if addressed promptly. A banging sound typically indicates loose components in your compressor, while hissing suggests dangerous refrigerant leaks that pose safety risks. Squealing points to warn fan belts on the verge of failure, and buzzing often signals electrical issues that could spark fires. The key is immediate action. Turn off your system, note the specific sound, and call a licensed technician. Regular maintenance prevents most noise issues, but when they occur, swift professional intervention protects your investment, ensures safety, and maintains indoor comfort year-round.